Amazing morning! So, do you want a success? Because I'm already success. I have a lot of experience. Oh my God. I have iPhone, a luxury watch, and I have Samsung phone, and then laptop and iPads. This is very expensive. I cannot afford this without my business. So this is my business, guys. This is Amazing Slim Coffee Macchiato and Barley Powder. You can call me anytime. I will also messaging to you if you want to business. And then I also want if you want to join my business anytime, you can join me. We also help another people about this business. So if each other help about the business and I am really well, then this is about the help, and then you can help many people. And then if you want to try, join me now. Call me anytime. Just calling me. Okay, thank you.